We're getting very close now, friends. Look at that. That is ideal. The trick, of course, is you use the hot coals. No yellow flame, just hot coals. And over it, look at that, caramelized. The smell of this thing is to die for. Wow, look at that. G'day friends, welcome back to Joe Ninja Fisherman. Another beautiful sunny day, Sunday in September. It's time to go out. I have a 3-hour lead pass to go. Evolve Hobie electric engine ready to go to speed up my movement across to the fishing site. So why don't you follow me? Let's go out there for another good day of fishing. Hajime! Aya! Sanzai! Eyes! Oh yeah, that's how it's done. Alright, outgoing tide. Look at how beautiful that water is. Every Tom, Dick and Harry is out because the conditions are great. Morning, catch anything? Good on you. Right here? Alright, good luck, hope you catch lots. What the hell? Choppy choppy, right round the reef. I'm going right there to toss a few things. So if you're wondering what rod I'm using, it's the TD Black Pinster 641 LFS. It's a real light rod, very sensitive, highly recommended. Been using it with my ripstop, so let's see what we can deliver. Hey, the TD Black Pinster. I think I got something. Oh yeah, it's quite a nice one. It's biting hard. It's biting hard. Oh, nice one. TD Black, go, go, go. Oh, nice big fat one. Oh, oh, oh. Slowly, gently, 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 gently. Whoa, it's still a bit green. Gentle, gentle, gentle. Gentle, gentle. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Got you. Woohoo. Oh yeah. Oh, TD Black Pinster. Thank you, Max. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that beauty. Caught fair and square. Caught fair and square right in the corner of the mouth. Let's have a look at this beauty. Wow. Look at that. Caught right on the corner right there. Look at that. Caught right on the corner down there. There was nowhere it was going anywhere. Propeller ripstop, got him right there. This baby was not going anywhere. What a good little tailor, airborne too. Out. Hey, let go. Oh shit, the girl going away. Broke one of my trebles. Look at that, stuck in its mouth. Thank you very much. That's what I don't want. Oh, you're a healthy one. Let's see how big you are. You are 40, 40, maybe 41. Wow. Wow. Now that's a very healthy specimen. 41 centimeters long. Isn't that a beauty? Big sharp teeth. I've just lost my treble hook. It's chomped one off. Can you believe it? What a beauty though. Absolutely beauty. Oh! I'm on something! Come on, something! Go! 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 Oh yeah! Come on, titties, pinster! Woohoo! I got you. What is it? Oh yeah! Feisty one. Oh! Nice! Pulling drag. Oh, come on, Titty. Max, this rod's real good. Take our time. Oh, look at that. Come on. To the surface. To the surface. Oh, these are nice little lucky ones. Oh, let's get the net ready. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh. They were quite nice size too. Right into the net. Yes. Yes. TD Pinster. Go get yours now. Look at that. TD Pinster. 641 light tackle. Light finesse maybe. LFS. Whew. Wow. That was easy. Oh, another nice little chunky one waiting for me. This is, I think, bigger than the previous one. Look at that. Got him right in the mouth again. Look at that. Perfectly pinned. Perfectly pinned. There was no way this guy was getting out this time in the middle treble. Wow. Wow, look at that. All right. Well, let's give this a quick measure and see how big this is thing. I think it would be about, ooh, what's this one? Slightly bigger than the other one. That's a 41, about the same. 41. So, not a bad little beastie, huh? 41. That makes me happy. Great stuff. G'day friends, we're finally back on terra firma, back at Ettalong Beach. What a glorious day. Not a bad effort this morning. Went for a bit of a cruise. Two big fat tailor, as you can see. Nice ones, and I think I might do Ikan Bakar. So watch this space, and we might do this barbecue Malaysian Indonesian style Ikan Bakar on these two big nice fat tailor fish. Eins und zwei. And of course you need turmeric powder, ketchup mayonnaise, which you can get at your local Asian shop, coriander seeds, and salt. And you need some oil for basting. And of course, most importantly, you need to have pestle and mortar. And look right here, these beautiful flowers. Look at how beautiful these flowers are. We recently got them from a wonderful florist, which I highly recommend, called Salmon and Co down at Ettalong. So go get some flowers from them. They do the best bunches of flowers that you will make your wives and mums proud of. Right, let's start. Now chop up all these little garlic bits into smaller chunks. As you can see, I've got the chilies, eschalots, spring onions, and the rest of the ingredients, the garlic, all in there. Now I'm gonna bash the crap out of it, like so. Pestle and mortar, and that's the old-fashioned way. And I think it's actually nicer this way because you can put all the oils and sauces in there. So let's bash that in.
The chili got me!
Next up, we're going to add the spices in. So we'll be using turmeric powder. Got it right here. A tablespoonful of that. Chuck it all in there. Don't waste any of that. Chuck a bit of salt. 2 teaspoonsful of salt. And coriander. A teaspoon of that. I'll just wing it. Coriander powder. And these are Australian macadamia nuts. You're meant to be using candle nuts, but macadamia nuts will bind it all together. It costs too much though. All right, let's whack it all in and chuck it in right in there. Well, there we have it. Finally pounded to smithereens. This beautiful paste ready to marinate the fish with. You can see the candle nuts or macadamia nuts have been pounded together with the chilies, the oil, turmeric, coriander, onions, eschalots. Everything has been pounded, and it's this gooey little paste. And while on that note, if you look at these beautiful flowers, you need that because you cry when you do that. It stinks the whole house out, and you need beautiful flowers like that from Salmon and Co to repel those odors. Next thing you want to do is to grab your tailor down here. You want to cut diagonal slits at an angle, like so, okay? Space them apart, but get them right down at an angle, more of an angle like so, and maybe a little bit like that. That's how I would do it, and I'll do the same for the other bit. Okay, do the same for the other side. Next up, take your lovely little paste like so, shove it in the guts of it like so. Of course, marinate it well and disperse it in between and into these little slits, okay? Like so, into the slits, like so, yeah. You get the picture, and we keep putting it right through that into the slits of this fish. Now this thing is gonna burn and kill. It is quite potent and lethal. If you've got a shark bite, you probably put this on and it will probably kill all the germs or regenerate a new arm. Well, there you have it. Both sides are done. Beautiful. We'll put it on a tray. Next thing you do is grab a lemon, squeeze some lemon juice on top of both of them, like so, and leave them to marinate. There you go. There we have it. Chuck them in the fridge for an hour. Let's go start the fire. There we go. Small little fire. We need to get embers, so it's going well. We'll let it burn down before we cook this beautiful meal. Well, look at that beautiful fish that I've got. It's been marinating for about 3-4 hours in the fridge. Lovely Tailor Ikan Bakar coming right up. Beautiful colors. You can tell that my dogs are very keen on having a taste, especially this one. But the answer is no, friends. This is not your meal. Especially you, Noodle. And you, Pickle, this is mine. Beautiful. Look at the colors of that thing. What a beauty. What an absolute beauty. Not yours. Take fish number 1. Chuck it right there. There we go. Smack bang. Take number 2, fish number 2. Chuck it right there. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good, I must say. Now close the lid. Don't wipe away chili fingers away so I don't kill myself. And then close the lid. And there you have it, lid closed. Beautiful little Ikan Bakar coming right up. I shall be grilling this in a moment. The coals are ready, so I think it's about time to put my little fishy on the hot coals, like so. Yeah, like that. Oh yeah. Alright, that's looking good. That's looking good. That's how it's done. In Australia, not in Asia. Beautiful. Let's enjoy this. Go fishy, go. Ikan Bakar, Indonesian Malaysian style. Ikan Bakar, beautiful. Baste those little suckers with ketchup manis. Right now, ketchup manis. Right. Let's turn it over like so. And chuck it on a fire like so. And watch that thing fire up. Beautiful. Look at that color. Oh yeah, look at that. Go, go, go. Start to brown out with the fishy. That's a real nice recipe. Oh, look at this process. Ikan Bakar, Indonesian Malaysian style. Tailor done. Spicy hot over the hot coals. That is starting to look very, very nice. Look at that. Maturing. Lovely, lovely. This is the way it's meant to be done. Ikan Bakar from Indonesia or Malaysia. Can't wait to try this. We're getting very close now, friends. Look at that. That is ideal. The trick, of course, is you use the hot coals. No yellow flame, just hot coals. And over it, look at that caramelized. The smell of this thing is to die for.